So hey guys, iMAT here, and today we have received a package from Kiiboom with the latest addition in the Kiiboom Phantom series, the Kiiboom Phantom 81 version 3. We also have some extra replaceable switches. First of all, let's go ahead and find out what comes inside the box. So we have the polishing cloth, then we get the user manual to get you started. After that we have the USB A to C cable and a 2.4 GHz dongle on it. Then we get some accessories including the switch and key puller, screwdriver and some extra switches. And after that, here we have the Kiiboom Phantom 81 version 3. So let's go ahead and take a first look on it. So I'm gonna get it out of it. So here it is. So here is the first look on the new Phantom 81 version 3. So they have mentioned that it has received ergonomic as well as structural improvements, and as mentioned by them, it has received an angled front cover that improves ergonomics, making it more comfortable for extended typing sessions by reducing wrist strain. I've also compared it with the Phantom version 2, and they have mentioned its internal support structure has been overhauled with 12 support columns replacing the previous 8 brackets. So what it basically does is that it enhances both stability as well as durability. After that we have repositioned USB ports. Now it is in the center instead of the left side, and it will help in better cable management, which will contribute to a cleaner workspace. It has eliminated the storage compartment, opting for a more streamlined and minimalistic design. It uses a full acrylic body and the overall feel is just amazing, and not just that, the quality is just next level. I've been using the Phantom 81 version 2 for about 10 months now, and it looks as good as the Phantom 81 version 3 which I just unboxed. Then if you look at the backside of the keyboard, it also looks different compared to the Phantom 81 version 2, and instead of round, now we have elongated foot pads which will enhance the keyboard stability and grip on various surfaces. Other than that, inside the keyboard they have integrated sound damping materials more effectively, so it's going to reduce the noise during the typing and will contribute to a smoother and more premium typing experience. I also noticed it when I compared it with my Phantom 81 version 2 that the noise during the typing has been reduced a lot, especially on the spacebar. So let's take a look at the keycaps and the switches. So here is a look at the keycap used by the Phantom 81 version 3. Overall, it is just looking too good in quality. It's not going to get a lot of scratches, and the color also won't change since it is using pure acrylic material. And even after 10 months of usage, my Phantom 81 version 2's keycaps also look as good as this one. Now let's get the switch out. And here's a look at a transparent switch. It looks quite good in quality, and if you want to check out the sound, the sound is just too pleasing. It is not too noisy and disturbing, and also not too silent. So thanks to Kiiboom for sending me extra replacement switches. So let's go ahead and check them out. So they are cyan in color. Here is the first look on them. So in one box you're going to get 35 switches. Let's check it out. So here it is. It is also looking quite good in quality. Let's check out its sound. Let's compare it with a transparent switch. So the sound is quite similar. In the coming week, I'm gonna be replacing my Phantom 81 version 2 switches with this one. So if you're interested, make sure you have the notifications turned on for that. And let's put it back and continue talking about the Phantom 81 version 3. So talking about the connectivity modes, it has 3 connectivity modes. So if we go to this side, so we have the Mac and Windows button here, using which you can make it compatible with a Mac and a Windows PC. This is basically to make the key next to the spacebar work like the command key instead of the alt key in Windows. And here are the connectivity buttons. So in the middle we have USB or off option. So if you are using this option, the keyboard will stay off, but as soon as you connect it with your PC using the USB-C cable, it's going to act like a wired keyboard. And not just that, it will also charge the battery of the keyboard. And after that, if you move it to the right side, then you can connect it with 3 Bluetooth devices. And to make it detectable, so you'll have to press and hold the function plus the connection number you are trying to use. So here you can see that Kiiboom 81 5.0 and 3.0 are detected. So let's go ahead and connect with the 5.0. So after that, you can see that the keyboard has started to work. And once the devices are connected, You do not have to press and hold, you can simply press function 1, 2 and 3 to switch between the devices. And in the end we have the 2.4 GHz dongle mode, using which you can simply use this 2.4 GHz dongle and connect the keyboard with your Mac, PC or any device which can use a USB dongle. So let's do a quick typing test. For a reduced glare and a more even illumination effect, the Phantom 81 version 3 now comes with refined lighting experience. It is using south-facing LEDs. Then it comes with a lot of customization options. First of all, there are a lot of lighting modes inside it, and you can press the function and the backslash key to change the lighting modes. There are a lot of them, and each one is unique in its own way, and it offers a lot of customization in all of these lighting modes. So for example, if we are going to choose this one, then you can press function plus delete key to change the direction of the backlight. Then using the arrow up and arrow down key, you can increase and decrease the brightness level, and using the arrow left and right, you can increase the speed of the lights. As you can see here, now the speed has increased. And not just that, you can also press function and the square bracket closed, and you can change the color of the light. You can also choose single colors like this, and if not, you can choose this mode for all of the colors. Even the side light is completely customizable, so you can press function plus P to change the side light mode, and then you can also customize it. To increase and decrease the brightness, you can use function Z and function X. Then to increase and decrease the speed, you can use function C and V, and you can change the color of the side light by using function plus B. It also offers a lot of other shortcuts. You can check them out in the user manual. And in the end, it is time to talk about the battery life. The Phantom 81 version 3 now comes with a 8000 mAh of battery capacity instead of 4000 mAh of battery capacity in the previous versions. It results in even a greater battery life. The battery life is amazing if you press function plus page up and turn off the RGB lights. But even with the lights, it's going to give you a great battery life. To check the battery percentage, you can press function and backspace, and it will light up the keys according to the battery percentage. Currently the lights are lit up to 4 number, which means the battery is currently 40% charged. And with this, I've tried to cover everything in the Kiiboom Phantom 81 version 3. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. If you would like to place an order, I'm gonna be leaving its link in the description box below, and I would really appreciate if you can use that link to purchase it. If you would like to see more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. I will catch you in the next one. Until next time, this is iMAT. Peace.